with another video, for Shitbox Saturdays. Corsetti just showed up.
I forgot my fucking Yagi.
Hey, don't cuss. Anyway, yeah, Corsetti just showed up. Basically, what I'm gonna be trying to do is, if we can before it snows, I really want to get my grill painted black and maybe go over these and try to get these front bumper caps, maybe my fenders and the rear as well if we have enough paint. Another thing I'll be trying to do is all this plastic right here. I'm gonna try to cut all that off, myself a little bit more clearance. Yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. If it starts raining, I don't want to paint everything, but we're definitely gonna get some clearance today. But yeah, definitely keep you guys posted. Hey guys, first things first, I'm gonna take this, and also I have
I don't know if it's gonna be enough, dude.
glue gun. Probably not. We're just gonna take some paint. I might not do the fenders. Probably just gonna do the front end caps.
Today.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna do the front end caps just until I can get some more paint. But really the biggest part I'm worried about is these front caps and then getting them cut. So yeah, we're gonna pull these fenders off, take them upstairs, and then get them cut. Just to show you guys how to get these off. Mine, I don't know who did this, but they put a bolt here, and they also put a bolt on the other side. They kind of tore up the other side a little bit, but there's also a bolt right here for this plastic piece, which instead of cutting, I'm probably just gonna want to take it off completely. And then yeah, there's one right here, and then there's one on the inside in here, and then that piece just slides off. It's taken off. I would run it without the plastic caps. The only problem with that is this I would have to take out, which isn't a big deal, but I would also have to relocate the horn on this side. Where the hell this is, I don't even know, if I'm being honest with you. And then just this, I don't know, it kind of ugly. But yeah, we're gonna cut. We're gonna trim this down, and then yeah, slap it back on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean the dirt off of these, and I mean, there's not really anything I can do about that, but I'm gonna probably cut it around like right here so that we can still keep the mounting points. That one's messed up, but yeah, and then just bring it around here, and same thing on this side, clean it up, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I got it cut. I wanted to leave the mounting point, so I cut a little bit behind them. That one's broken, but still I wanted to match the other side. Basically what I did is just cut this piece off, and I'll put it next to this one. You'll be able to see better. So there's this one, and then if you look at this one, you can definitely tell the difference.
Oh yeah, it's kind of opposite side of it.
Yeah. So I just took some off. I'm gonna paint it over black, even though it's starting to snow. Probably not a good idea, but we'll figure it out. All right, boys. Final step. We trimmed it down. Final step is to paint it and then slap it on the car. Who has done this more often? Because that's his, pretty nice. And then here is my monstrosity.
He just doused it all in one coat.
Yeah, I accidentally put way too much, and it's kind of too late to wipe it off. So I'm just gonna send it. Yeah, this one looks way better. I kind of wish you would have did both. But yeah, we're finishing up. We're gonna get ready to bolt it back on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks.
It's wet. When it's wet, it's gonna look like that with the glass all over it.
So we got these painted. If you look closely, you can't really pick it up with the camera from far away, but you can see all like it's snowing, so that's getting on there. But it also doesn't help that this plastic is 19 years old. There's a lot of dust and grime and stuff on there that if we really took the time, I'm sure we could fix it, but just not doing that today.
Temporary fixes.
Basically what I wanted to do is just get a video out so that we're keeping the channel going, and yeah, just do something. We don't really have money and a lot of stuff to add on, just to show that you can have fun with the little things that you have laying around. I don't know if you have a grinder laying around, but if you do,
it's $10 at Harbor Freight.
Yeah, Harbor Freight is where it's at. It's where we get all of our tools, all of our equipment. But yeah, I just wanted to get a video up. I'm gonna do a quick closeout. I don't know if you're familiar with Colorado Springs, probably not, but there's this beautiful mural somebody put up. But yeah, so we kind of went over this right here with paint, you know, just to blacken it up. It was getting a little bit rusty. I'm gonna put the caps on tomorrow to let them dry, but I'm not too worried about this bumper itself. It's already kind of drying up. So my plans for this car, definitely want to lift it. You know, new rims, new tires. I'm looking at about a 3-inch lift. But also want to do LED taillights and brake lights. I feel like they look pretty good on these cars. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. There he is, revving in his Mustang. So this is my buddy's Mustang. Progress. He's starting to get this wing up here. I remember whenever he first got it, he's slowly putting it together. It's a little dirty right now, but that's Colorado. But as of right now, we're very limited to the work we can do. Money and especially training. You know, this unit down here, we're going to a lot of different places really fast. We probably got like 2 weeks in the field, 2 weeks out all year. So there's not really a lot we can do, but we're definitely building up to it. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of my plans, you know, what we're going to be doing. And I just wanted to make a quick video. I know I promised you guys the side exit exhaust. It's coming. Just right now, today wasn't a very good day, and I wanted to put something up. We're going to be going back over the fenders on the back and this side right here. I'm going to leave this green, but yeah, we're definitely going to be touching up on these. I might paint my rims black until I get some new ones. But yeah, I'm going to close out the video. Peace. What's going on, guys? It's Trevor here with Integrate Performance. Just closing out the video. I recorded in October. It is now January. Just realized I forgot to post that. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So here we go. As you can see here, we got a lot more clearance than before. It came down to probably like right here somewhere. I'm not really too sure, but yeah, I pretty much just cut this up. It's a little dirty. It's been a while, and I've taken it mudding a couple times since then. But also peep the headlights. But that's it for this video. I'm about to actually record 2 more, which you're not going to see for a couple of weeks. So peace.